Hey guys, welcome to another AI tutorial. If you have recently become a business owner, you may be interested in establishing a separate website for your new venture other than relying solely on social media platforms. If that is the case, this tutorial is tailored to your needs as we will demonstrate how AI can help reduce the workload and effort involved in building your own website. So without further ado, type in your browser 10web.io. It is an AI website builder that helps you build or create any website in minutes with the power of AI. So let's go ahead and start. First things first, we are going to log in or sign in. We are going to create our own account by clicking Create Your Account Now. So we have two ways to do it. We can either do it manually or we can click Sign Up with Google. So for this time, I'm going to do it manually. And then click Get Started for Free. You will then be asked, how would you describe yourself? So for this one, I'm going to say I am a blogger. Then how many websites do you manage? I'm going to say 1 to 3. And then what do you want to do? Choose how you want to proceed and we'll help you get started. So I'm going to click Create a New Website with AI. Okay, and then business type. In my case, this is more on me advertising places in Cebu. So next, and of course, Cebu Ocean. Yeah, Cebu has a lot of ocean, so I'm going to click that one. And then next. Okay, now here are some options, templates that you can choose from. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. As we can see here, we can present like some of the things that we can do for Cebu. So let's try to click this one. Next. All right, and then your company name. So my target is local people from Cebu, so I'm going to type Cebuanong Laag. And describe your company. So earlier I've already come up with a description to describe my company. So I'm going to just copy and type it here, paste. Okay, there you go. So the objective of Cebuanong Laag is to encourage local tourists to visit various attractions in Cebu. We provide comprehensive information on the destinations, including travel guides and the cost of services offered. Okay, and then I'm going to click next. Here, we have here service features which we can provide. In my case, I'm going to type first service feature. I'm going to type travel guide. And then second service that my page is going to offer is going to be travel package. And third, we have hotel bookings and restaurant reservation. Okay, then I'm going to click next. All right, here, this is very important. This is how people are going to contact you. So yeah, it could be for advertisement, customer service, and for various purposes. So here I'm going to type just something, subuanonglaag@gmail.com. Or if you have professional email, then you can type it here. All right, company phone number, I'm just going to pretend something. So here I'm going to type an address, but please note that this is only an example one and it does not exist. And then I'm going to click next. So choose a tone of voice of context. Since again, we are just encouraging people to travel, I'm going to choose informal one. And then I'm going to click finalize. So here AI is now generating your website. Okay, congratulations, your website was successfully created with AI. Let's try to click preview and edit. Here, so we have Explore Cebu with Cebuanong Laag. So AI not only created your own website, but it also created a heading. So we can see here, Explore Cebu with Cebuanong Laag. And then here are some of the things that we typed earlier, the services that we offered. Travel guide, That is the first service. And then it also created some description of what we can do for this particular service. Get detailed information about the attractions in Cebu, including the best time to visit and how to get there with our comprehensive travel guide. Please take note that I did not type any of these. This one as well. Travel package. Choose from our curated travel packages that include transportation, accommodation, and tours designed to help you experience the best in Cebu. And then we also have hotel booking, a restaurant reservation, transportation, and tour packages. How amazing is that, everyone? So discover the best of Cebu. Okay, and then it will also say how many projects you've completed, how many clients that are satisfied, awards that you have received, if there are any, and then how many members. And then here we have your contact details that we have typed earlier. And then here are also our social media pages. So what you are going to do is when you're going to edit it, you can just attach or link your social media page using this one. For now, I cannot click it because I have not attached or edited it yet. So the same thing here. Now, now say for example, there's something that you want to change, you can actually edit it. However, for editing this one, you actually need to have a pro account. So for example, if I'm going to click this one, so you have to try AI Builder Pro for free for 7 days. After 7 days, you can then start paying for a professional website. For editing, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is drag and edit it, similar to this one. So that's an example of how easily you can do this one. Another good thing about this is that you don't need to do a lot of coding. Another thing also is you can see how it looks like from desktop or mobile. So let's try to click mobile. There you go. So from a mobile phone, that is how it is going to look like. And of course, you can put some images here if you are in the pro version. You can also change this one depending to your likings. And then your social media pages and your contact information, the one that we typed in earlier. All right. So I guess that's about it. Again, if you're a big fan or if you want to create your own website, then I think this is the best one for you. It is not only easy, it is also very convenient and efficient. Have a good day, everyone.